Try me a deserter. No time to have you lurking. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes,
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, it is a video about hair, of course, but it is a wig I never really thought I would get. I just was not into it. It's one of those VPART wigs. I know you guys have seen it all over the internet, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. But I just personally was like, my hair is mad short. The blending is going to be annoying and a pain. And so I just really never wanted to work with any companies that was, you know, sending out VPART wigs. But that is all changed. I received some, and the next few videos you guys are going to see different VPART wigs. So with that being said, let's just get into the one that I have on right now. So it is from Klaiyi Hair company. I worked with this company plenty of times in the past. Playlist is at the top, and I'm going to leave the links and details that I'm about to mention down in the description box, so make sure you check there. Any crucial update is going to be in the comment section. I'm going to pin it. Okay, so this is their curly VPART wig. It comes with the adjustable straps, which wigs normally come with, and this one came with obviously a lot of clip-ins. It came with, I believe, 5. Okay, so there's one in the middle and then 2 on the sides where the VPART opens, and then it has combs, 1 comb on each side around the ear. Now for me, this wig was a tad bit big, and I did take advantage of the adjustable straps. So this wig is, I made it work, okay? If you have a bigger size head, because I normally wear average cap size wigs, so if you have a bigger head, this one will definitely fit you guys. So this is their curly texture, like I mentioned, and they said it's 24 inches. I don't feel like it, okay? So I'm gonna leave the correct inch in the description box, because I'm gonna hit up the company and we're gonna figure it out. Also, it feels more and looks more like a kinky curly, and y'all, it's just giving me natural vibes, okay? I feel like it's super natural. Obviously my leave out is out in the front, and we're gonna get into everything I had to do with my leave out, okay? Because it was something. But I just feel like it's coarse, it's giving me natural vibes, and I'm loving the look. I didn't trim the hair at all. I was battling if I wanted to like trim just here and there, just like a few, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna leave it how it is. So I did not define these curls. I'm pretty daggone sure the curls can get defined. You just use a curl smoothie, defining cream, whatever you like, and I'm sure I won't put your hands in this hair because it is getting bigger the more that I do it, and it's a tad bit frizzy, so just be mindful of that. But the hair, it feels good. It's not a lot of weight. It feels lightweight. The combs do not hurt. So yeah, I'm really pleasantly surprised about this wig, you guys. So I'm actually really glad that I did this video, just so if you're a girl that has shorter hair, VPART wigs can still be very convenient for you and very much an option for you, because girl, I love a little twist, and I know some of y'all love a little twist too. So just twist that leave up, and it literally looks super good. So options. Let me get into what I did with my leave out. With my leave out, I blow dried it because for some reason I thought I was really going to try to blend it. So I was going to curl it with my tiny curling iron that I got off of Amazon, which you guys will probably see in another video. But I thought I was going to curl my leave out, which if you really think about it, if you got to do all of that, just get another wig so you're not like damaging your real hair. So I'm glad that I did these twists and clipped it up. It looks good, so to me at least. The major thing that I did use were these 2 root sprays. I actually saw a girl on TikTok do this for a different reason, but I figured let's go ahead and do this. I got the L'Oreal and Tresemme. I wasn't sure which one, so I just went ahead and did this first. It did a good job. Not the best. It didn't really cover the tips of my hair. So then after I did majority of my leave out with this, I went in and used the L'Oreal one, and let me tell you, it is so good. So much better than the Tresemme. Like the color is just, it's just super black. It spreads, it shows up on my hair strands, and both of these say that you can use this on your hair, and then when you wash it out, it'll just be gone, okay? Your natural color will be back. So I really, really like that because I didn't want anything that was permanent or semi-permanent. I didn't want to dye my hair, okay? Other than that, that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like it and leave a comment down below. Do y'all like VPART wigs? Let me know, okay? Because I definitely got a few more to do. So I hope y'all do. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I will check y'all lovelies out in the next one. Bye.
Try me a deserter. No time to have you lurking. No, act like you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touch me, you're not righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams had duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience.